Hey folks, welcome back to the mountain. Just got home from my day job. Time to go check on the animals. I do have helmet head today. I rode the motorcycle to work, so got helmet head, but that's okay. So things are going. It's been a nice quiet week here on the homestead. Not a lot going on this week. We've just been taking care of our animals. You can hear Cluck over there. We're going to be going to check on the goats first, so we'll go see how they're doing. Goats! Hello, goats! Jana. See, I did it again. Jana, where you at, goat? There you are, look at that, you're right there. Hello, goats. Hey, Zan. Come here, buddy. Come on, Zan. Come here, buddy. Come on. Hello, boy. Yeah. Hi, Zan. Hi, Jana. Jana's still a little, Zan's not. Jana's still being skittish. Hi, buddy. Hi, yeah, good boy. Come here, Jana. Come here. No, she's still being skittish. I know, little girl. I know. Hi, buddy. Hi, buddy. Good boy. Good goat. Yeah, good goat. Jana. Come here, Jana. Keep getting the name screwed up. Zan, what are you doing, boy? What you doing, buddy? Good boy. Good boy. Forgot to bring your ball out. We got them. Hey, don't eat my shorts. I'm not Bart. I'm not Bart. Jana, come here, girl. Jana, want to come see me? Come here, Jana. See, she's still being real skittish. Zan, on the other hand, he comes right up to us. He loves it. He loves the attention. I didn't bring out any snacks today for him. I usually do. So this is what we do. We come see the goats for a little bit. It's a nice day, so we're going to hang out a couple minutes, and then we're going to go check on the chickens and the ducks. And then I got some more work to do around, since it is Friday afternoon. We got work to do. As you can see, the goat area is doing pretty good. There's their little hidey hole in there for their stall. That's how they get in and out. We made this bench to sit on. It works out really well for us. Right, Jan? Hi, Jana. Oh, that's a good girl. Good girl, Jana. Good goaty goats. Good goaty goats. Hey, don't eat my shoelaces, goat. Don't eat my shoelaces. Yeah, they're good. They're being good. She's coming around. We can get closer to her than we could before. Everything's going really well through here. We still got more cleanup to do. They've been eating a lot of the green stuff in here, which is great. It's good for them too, other than having just hay. So we got a lot going on today. Alright, so in the afternoons when I come home, after doing the goats, I come over and I check on the chickens. But little Hay has been out of the coop every day, and she is right now. I don't know if you can see her. She's right there. There's little Hay. Oh, she's scooting along right there. You can see her. She's right there. There she goes. So she somehow gets out of this thing every day. We haven't quite figured it out yet, but we're going to go ahead and let the rest of them out now. Let them run around, and who knows, maybe we have an egg or two in there today. Come on, chickens. Come on, chickens and ducks. Let's go. Everybody out. Everybody out. Come on. Time to clean up. Go pick up all them ticks. Let's go. Come on, Cluck. Move it along. You two ducks, move it along. All right, now we'll check inside. And no eggs today. Those are those fake eggs to try to show them. But they haven't been laying. The two eggs we have had have been right down here on the floor. Oh, look at that. There is an egg right there. Right there's an egg. See, they've been laying them. They're laying them on the floor instead of in the nesting boxes, and I'm not quite sure why. So we do have another egg, though. There we go. Egg number 3. Somebody's laying them. We're going to have to find out which one. Which one of you ladies is laying the eggs? And do it in the nesting boxes. Come on. Alright, so now that we got them, it's time to get to work. Okay, so we bought this log holder because we got a lot of smaller logs. We're going to have to cut in the length for firewood this year. So I'm going to check this thing out. See what we need to do with it. Put it together. Okay, that's it. That's all it needs. It doesn't really need to be put together. Alright. Okay, so we'll bring that back out and give it a try. See what we can do with that. Alright. So all we're doing is we're taking the flitches off the pile. The slabs that we're not going to be making into lumber. This thing works great. Just put it in there, it holds it like that, and then we can just cut it. Makes pretty fast work of it, and we don't have to bend down. We're not digging our chain in the ground. It just cuts us great. So we're going to go ahead and do some more. As you can see, that thing works great for cutting these up. I got a really big pile, so there's no point in you guys watching me do all this.